Understanding Complex and Imaginary Numbers. Introduction. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we're going to delve into the fascinating world of complex and imaginary numbers. Don't worry if these terms sound intimidating, we're going to break them down step by step. And by the end of this video, you'll have a solid grasp of these concepts. What are complex numbers? Let's start with the basics. A complex number is a number that can be expressed in the form a plus by, where a and b are real numbers, and I is the imaginary unit equal to the square root of -1. The real part of the complex number is a, and the imaginary part is by. Understanding the imaginary unit. The imaginary unit I is a crucial part of complex numbers. It's essential to understand that I represents the square root of -1. This means that I multiplied by itself gives us -1. Plotting complex numbers. Now, let's visualize complex numbers on the complex plane. The real part of the complex number is represented on the x-axis, and the imaginary part is represented on the y-axis. This visualization helps us understand complex numbers geometrically. Operations with complex numbers. Addition and subtraction. Adding and subtracting complex numbers is quite straightforward. Just like with real numbers, you add or subtract the real parts separately from the imaginary parts. Multiplication. Multiplying complex numbers involves distributing each term in one complex number to every term in the other complex number and then simplifying. Division. To divide complex numbers, we multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of the denominator. The conjugate of a complex number a plus by is simply a by. Imaginary numbers in real life. You might be wondering, where are imaginary numbers used in real life? Well, they are widely used in electrical engineering, control systems, and even in quantum mechanics. They have practical applications that are vital in various fields of science and engineering. Conclusion. So, there you have it, a basic understanding of complex and imaginary numbers. We've covered what they are, how to visualize them, and how to perform basic operations with them. Remember, complex and imaginary numbers may seem complex at first, but with practice and a clear understanding of the fundamentals, you can master them. Summary. Complex numbers are in the form a plus by, where a is the real part, b is the imaginary part, and I is the imaginary unit. The imaginary unit I represents the square root of -1. Complex numbers can be visualized on the complex plane. Operations with complex numbers involve addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Imaginary numbers have practical applications in fields like electrical engineering and quantum mechanics. We hope you found this video informative and engaging. If you have any questions or want us to cover more topics like this, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more educational content. Thank you for watching.